Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Bluetooth issue after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution you have facing this issue Bluetooth. So then first solution, turn off and on Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad. It would also be wise to turn on and off Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad at times. Just soft resetting the Bluetooth can let you get rid of this problem. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on Bluetooth turn on and off. Simple way, and then FBF fix your problem. Then second solution, you have forget the Bluetooth device and reconnect. If you had previously connected to the Bluetooth device, force your iPhone to the forget device and you have been connected, and then you have reconnect to it, then he is reconnecting. Then third solution, you have restart your iPhone. Rebooting has also been a pretty effective way to fix Bluetooth issue on iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Fourth solution, you have updated the software iOS latest version of your Bluetooth accessories, and then should your Bluetooth device continue to the modifications, try updating the software of the Bluetooth device. If it is plagued by some random bugs, the software update will help you resolve the problem. Then last solution, you have reset network setting. Many a time resetting the network setting has helped me resolve the Bluetooth issues on iPhone. So I am going to try this effect solution to the bring ill-fated Bluetooth back to on the track. Open the setting and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset network setting. If you given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.